Hello children, Mrs Savage again. I hope you're all staying safe and enjoying doing some cooking with me. Today I thought we'd make mini jammy buns. The ingredients you will need to make mini jammy buns: 225 grams of self-raising flour, 1/4 teaspoon of mixed spice, 50 grams of soft margarine, 100 grams of caster sugar, 1 egg, and you need to beat that, 3 to 4 tablespoons of milk, some jam, and you can choose your flavour, and a little bit of granulated sugar to sprinkle on the top. You will also need your adult to preheat your oven to 200 or 400 depending on the electric oven you have, or if you're on gas, it's gas mark 6. As you can see, I've got all my ingredients weighed out ready to go. It makes it much easier to follow the instructions. I'm going to put my flour, my mixed spice and my margarine in my bowl. I'm going to use my fingertips, so I'm going to dip them in my flour again so they don't get too sticky. And I'm going to pull my margarine apart a little bit and make it into little pieces, because we need to make this to look like breadcrumbs. So just lightly, I'm going to coat the flour with the butter, and we're going to mix until it all comes in together and all the butter's gone away. Now I need to mix my egg and my milk together. I'm not going to use all of it, I'm just going to put some in. I'll save some just in case I need it later. I don't want this mixture to be too wet. Now I'm going to pour this mixture into here, and I'm going to start bringing it together with my fork. Can you see how it's all coming together with the wet mixture in there? It's all going doughy again. It's all starting to come together. We're going to make a dough again like we did when we made the other biscuits. And now we've got a dough just like the last one. It's all come together. Okay. Now for this, I'm going to get my grandson to help me. Say hello, Mason. Right. We're going to get some flour, and the other hand, on our hands, because we're going to get a bit messy again. Pour it back in. That's it, well done. Now we're going to take small balls like this, and we're going to do this, and we're going to put it on here. Hold on, I'll give you one, and you're going to put yours on there. Can you roll that for me? And we're going to roll them all out just into a small ball like this and put them, yeah, that's right. You can take some off there. Do you want to take some more? That's it. And we're going to fill our baking tray. We should get 24. Into a nice bowl. There you go. That's right. That's fine. Right, let me see how much I can get out of here with this now. I might be able to get enough to make one more. That might be a dough ball, I don't know. Yeah. Now we're going to go and wash our hands. Now we've got all our dough balls on our tray ready to go. You're going to dip your thumb in the flour. Yep, right in. Boom, right in. Then you're going to get your thumb and you're going to go boom, like that. And you're going to go boom and make one there. Then dip it in the flour again. And you're going to make a thumbprint. Yep. That's it. Well done. Do you want to put it in the flour again? That's it. And in that one. Okay, we're going to swap them over. And while you're making thumbprints, in these for me. I'm going to fill these ones with jam. There, you might want your flour.
I don't think
I'm just going to put a tiny little bit of jam in each hole. Don't want to overfill it, because otherwise it'll all spill out. How are you doing there, Maze?
good.
When we've got jam in all of our holes, we're going to take some sugar, just a pinchful, a fingerful. Can you do that as well? No, you can do that as well. Take a fingerful. And you're going to, oh, a little bit, yeah, that's fine. And you're going to sprinkle on top of the bun. Just sprinkle a little bit over the top of the bun. There we go. Oh, well done, you. Now you're going to get your grown up, which is me, to put your biscuits, buns, whatever you want to call them, in the oven, and we're going to bake them for 10 minutes. We're going to check them in 10 minutes. Now our cookies are out of the oven, we're going to take them and we're going to cool them on a tray. We can't eat them until they are really cold, because we will burn our tongue. What will make our tongue burn?
The cookies and the jam.
The jam.
Because it's hot.
That's right.
Can I try?
I hope you enjoyed making jammy buns as much as we did. Bye! Here are the instructions to make your mini jammy buns.